So today's tutorial, I want to show how to open a new Facebook account. You can download Facebook from App Store or Play Store. So after you download that, you can click the Facebook and then click create new account and then get started. And then you need to type your name. After you typing, click next and choose your birthday and click next and choose your gender. So I choose male. Next, and then you can type with your mobile phone number or you can type with your email, but I choose email. So click sign in with email and then type your email. And then click next. And you need to type your password. So the password should be at least 6 character. It include you can choose letter or number. If you want to save your Facebook account in the device, you can click save. If you don't want to save, you can click no now. So I click I agree. And then you need to fill 5-digit code for the Facebook. So you can check the email and click the 5-digit code from the Gmail and then click next. So welcome to Facebook, George. So your Facebook account has been created successfully. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped to you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.